The advisor to Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Ladakh, Dr. Pawan Kotwal, chaired a meeting to discuss the promotion of Pashmina spinning machines and subsidy schemes to boost the Pashmina industry in Ladakh at the Civil Secretariat Leh. The meeting aimed to explore ways to enhance the production and quality of Pashmina products, thereby improving the livelihoods of local artisans and stakeholders. The Department of Sociology at EGM College organized an enriching research field trip to the Changthang region. The study tour included 60 enthusiastic students from the 3rd and 5th semesters, led by Dr. Tashi Lundup and Dr. Stenzin Namgyal, esteemed faculty members of the department. The 3-day trip kicked off with an introductory section on the agro-pastoral community of Gaya Valley. Mr. Karma Sonam, field coordinator with the Nature Conservation Foundation, guided the students through the efforts made by NGOs in the region to preserve natural and wildlife heritage. Chairman Chief Executive Councillor LHDC Kargil Dr. Mohammad Jafar Akhun held a meeting with cultural activists, scholars of Kargil to discuss theme for the tableaux to be showcased on January 26, 2025 on Republic Day Parade. The meeting was attended by poets, cultural activists and scholars including Bashir Ahmed Wafa, Raza Ahmed Badgami, Kachu Ahmed Khan and others. The representative scholars discussed with CEC Kargil the importance of cultural identity, representation of Kargil of Ladakh to be represented on the Republic Day Parade. One day seminar on the biography of Kagyu Master and the 4 pith instructions of Dakpo Rinpoche held at Urgenling Monastery, Egling. The Ladakh Kagyu Student Committee, in collaboration with the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, Leh, successfully organized a one-day seminar on the biography of Kagyu Master and the 4 pith instructions of Dakpo Rinpoche. The event took place at Urgenling Monastery and saw the participation of around 100 monks from various monasteries and local participants. Amid rising tensions between India and China along the line of actual control, a new development has expedited the situation. 40 Chinese yaks have been discovered within the Indian administered region of Zomolang Damchok, located in the Leh district of Ladakh. Local villagers report that these yaks are currently under the control of Damchok residents. Konchok Stenzin, the councillor of Chushul, has taken to social media to draw attention to the issue and demand urgent action.